How to restore the default hands-free settings on Toyota Yaris. Let's find out. So let me start by using the home screen. To go to the following menu, all you need to do is use the menu button, choose Setup, then select Bluetooth, wait until this menu disappears, choose Detailed Settings, select here System Information, choose here Default, the last option, and as you can see, now you can restore the default hands-free settings. So if you mess up with your settings and you would like to bring back the factory settings, all you need to do is tap here Yes, and you just reset everything what you can change here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.